In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process carefully so you can remove a regular user or an accountant user without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct QuickBooks Online company and that you have the permissions needed to manage users, since this option is usually available only to admins. Start by going to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the upper area of the screen for the settings menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps important account and company management options. Click on Settings and then choose Manage Users. This will open the user management area where you can review everyone who currently has access to the company file. In the Users tab, find the name of the person you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct user, especially if there are multiple team members with similar roles. Once you found the right person, move to the far right side of their name. You'll see either a drop-down arrow or an ellipsis next to the Edit option. Click that menu and then select Delete. QuickBooks will show a confirmation pop-up asking if you want to delete this user. To finish removing them, click Delete User. At that point, the standard user will be removed from the company's access list. If your goal is to remove an accountant or accounting firm instead, the process continues in a slightly different tab. Go to the Accounting Firms or Accountants tab in the same Manage Users section. This area is specifically for accounting professionals who have access to your books. Find the accountant's name in the list, and then go to the Action column. Select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear one more time. Click Delete again to confirm the removal. After that, the accountant's access will be removed as well. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review your user list after making changes, just to confirm the person no longer appears in the appropriate tab. This helps you verify that the deletion was successful and that only the right people still have access to your QuickBooks account. And that's how to delete a user in QuickBooks Online, whether it's a regular team member or an accountant. Thanks for watching.